In this video, I will show you two ways how to access on-screen keyboard on Windows 10. Push on Start in the lower left corner. All files on your computer will be here. Scroll down to the letter W. Open this file, Windows Access of Ease. And push on-screen keyboard. There's our keyboard, guys. Now I will show you the second method. Press on this magnify glass and type in this search bar, on-screen keyboard. Press on-screen keyboard here. And that's how you do it, guys. How to access on-screen keyboard on Windows 10.